Do you want to learn Excel but you can't seem to find high quality resources that are actually relevant to your job? You've tried watching short videos but didn't find them helpful or actually relevant to your everyday activities? You've tried watching long videos, so let's look at an example, right? But didn't find them engaging or high quality or easy to understand. I'm Luke and I spent my career in consulting and private equity learning Excel. And I will teach you how to use Excel effectively and efficiently. Here at Essentials Explained, we will take you from a beginner or intermediate user all the way through to Excel mastery. Our Excel content is structured in 3 different pieces. Number 1 is exercises and assessments. These are tests of your Excel proficiency. We will walk through job tests. We will walk through building a simple financial model. We'll walk through grading student papers or an interview for a data analyst. And the real life hands-on knowledge that you will need to learn when using Excel in a business application. Number 2 are our formulas and functions. We have 2 sections. We have basic formulas and functions and advanced. If you're new to Excel, our basic formulas and functions will take you through every single formula you need to understand. That's a sum ifs, account ifs, how to use pivot tables, how to use a VLOOKUP, how to use an XLOOKUP, how to use an index match, and everything you need to know packaged in a way that allows you to easily engage with the content you need to learn. If you're an intermediate or advanced user, our advanced playlist will focus on complex formulas like the offset formula, or performing 2-dimensional lookups, or utilizing GoalSeek, or recording macros, or the basic of utilizing your personal macro workbook. And then finally, our Excel full course. This will walk you through the process of building a fully functioning model. We will take a raw data set and transform it into a fully working, formatted model that allows you to derive key business insights from your data. If you would like to get the most out of this content, check out our website at essentialsexplained.com and download the datasets to follow along with our course. You will get real hands-on exposure to solving real problems in Excel that will accelerate your learning and upskill your ability to become an Excel master. Please subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content, and we look forward to seeing you throughout our course at Essentials Explained.